Hey guys, welcome to Mrs. G's Sewing Space, and this video is just a watch me sew video. I am not doing anything in particular in this video, but preparing my embroidery machine for making a clutch or a small 5x7 little zipper bag. So I'm just going to let you guys watch the video. Next week will be my video about secret pockets. And if you guys like what you're seeing, always give me a thumbs up, like and share. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, whether you want to see more videos like this of just me fooling around with my embroidery machine and trying to match fabrics and find zippers and things, or if there's something else that you would want to see with my embroidery machine, or you just don't care one way or the other and you'd rather learn about sewing. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one talking about secret zippers. And remember, we'll eventually get the sewing room clean.